Alright, keyboard enthusiasts, check out these DUROCK Sunflower T1 tactile switches. These aren't your average switches. These are the POM versions, which means they're made with a full POM blend housing. Why does that matter? POM absorbs lubricant like a champ, making these switches incredibly smooth. And get this, they have a special 13.1mm P3 stem. That long pole, combined with the POM housing, gives these a deeper, more satisfying sound than the regular T1S. Trust me, the thok is real. Now, if you're into that tactile bump, these won't disappoint. They've got that noticeable tactile feedback without being overly aggressive. The specs? 67 grams bottom out, 52 gram actuation, and a smooth 3.7mm total travel distance. They're rated for 60 million clicks, so they're built to last. Plus, they're pre-lubed, which saves you time and effort. You can just pop them in and start typing. One thing that really stands out is how these switches feel after some use. That POM material and the P3 stem work together to create this almost buttery smooth feel. The more you use them, the better they get. It's like they break in perfectly. And the sound? Let's just say it's music to my ears. Deep, thocky, and satisfying. These switches also use gold-plated springs and metal leaf sourced from Korea and Japan, which speaks to the quality of the components. They're 5-pin, so they're compatible with most keyboards, and they're through-hole LED compatible if you want to add some RGB flair. They come in packs of 70, which is perfect for a standard full-size keyboard. Overall, these DUROCK Sunflower T1 POM switches are a fantastic option for anyone looking for a premium tactile typing experience. The smooth feel, the thocky sound, and the high-quality materials make them a real winner. If you're looking to upgrade your keyboard, definitely give these a try. You won't be disappointed.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.